Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial, how to get the latest big update for Windows 10 version 2004 from the official Microsoft website. This video will be useful for those who already have Windows 10 installed, but an earlier version. Windows 10 version 1909 is installed on my computer, and this can be viewed in Settings. Click the Start button. Then Settings, System, and About. Here we see that my Windows was installed in 2020 and its version is 1909. I also need to say that after this update all your data, all programs and files on the computer are saved without changes. If you want, you can undo this update to its original state. At the very end of the video tutorial I will show you how to do it. And so, let's get started. For those who will update the laptop, I recommend connecting the laptop to power, because the update can take a lot of time. It will depend on the settings of your device and the speed of the internet. We launch the browser, and write, download Windows 10. The download page has opened. Here you need to click, Update Now. And a special utility, Windows 10 Update Assistant, will be downloaded to the computer. Open the Downloads folder. Launch the Update Assistant. And now a special utility will do all the work on updating the computer. At this time, you can continue to do your work on the computer or just relax and have a cup of tea or coffee. And so, all update files are received, and now you need to restart your computer. Installing update files. Wait. Please do not turn off your computer. Wait. The update is complete, and we are greeted by the updated Microsoft Edge browser. Yes, it is an excellent browser. Now let's look at the characteristics of the updated system. Click the Start, Setting, System, and About button. Here we see that the last update of 2004 is safely installed. I also have to say that if you don't like the new version of Windows, then you can easily return your old version, and here's how to do it. Click the Start button, Setting, Updates, and Security. In the section, Recovery, you can click Get Started, and your computer will return to the old version of Windows. I also need to say that you can only remove the update within 10 days. Then this button will disappear. This is where I end. Thank you very much for your attention to my video. Good luck.